We're in a blizzard at Mammoth.
Surprise.
This is the story of our Mammoth blizzard experience. We thought we had hit the perfect window in between storms. We geared up and headed out to the lifts, only to find out the first lift was closed, then another and another lift. So we headed out. All because we're in a blizzard at Mammoth. Grabbed groceries and headed back to our cabin for the day. However, the question of the day was, should we stay or head out before things got worse? We decided to stay. So it's still snowing, and our car's getting buried, and they haven't plowed the road. So hopefully this is not going to be a problem getting out today. Thank goodness. There's a bulldozer clearing the road. Okay, it's March 5th, 2023, and we're in a blizzard up in Mammoth, and we're trying to get out of here. Hopefully we don't get stuck in the storm. The mountain was closed yesterday. We weren't able to go snowboarding or anything, so today we're just trying to get out. Hopefully we can. We're giving our Subaru Forester the test. We have no chains on, and it's been working well with the all-weather tires, and so far so good. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we'll stay safe. Looks like cars are getting on the 395 now. We've been waiting a long time. So it's almost 10 a.m. and it's 1 p.m. right now. So it looks like we're getting on the freeway, which is great. right, so we made it through to the 395. We made it back down from Mammoth Mountain. We thought we were gonna get stuck up there and be snowed in. And snow's falling off other cars and hitting us. Yeah, we made it back, and thankfully we're all okay. And more snow's falling. Yeah, but they actually blocked off the other side of the road, and we think they blocked it because the conditions are so bad up there, they don't want to send anybody else up. It's a little wild, and we're glad we made it back. More for the adventure.